Hey guys, welcome back to the Haole vlog. Today is Sunday and this is gonna be our episode 3. Oh my god, he's running a fucking red ass fucking light.
Of the sunlight, how it paints on a soft skin.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Haole vlog. This week is gonna be episode 3, and today's Sunday, and we're just going to the beach to hang out and chillax. And then we have fun stuff planned for the rest of the week. So yeah.
Takes care of the tan line. Scar tissue from the whole thing. Baby, don't you know you're a stardust? And you're on way from home, way from home. So baby, push it off like it's all done. But we spend the California days alone, days alone.
Birthday!
Oh, how could I forget?
How could you?
Bree's birthday is this Tuesday. She's turning 16. Just kidding. She's turning 17.
Quit!
Okay, yeah, she's turning 19.
This is the last straw. Take it off. This is the last straw.
So I think our beach day is about over. I think we're gonna go get some dinner here pretty soon. I think we're just gonna walk around Waikiki and see if we can find a restaurant that looks good, and then we'll just stop in and eat there. I think that's how you find the cool places to eat that not a lot of people know about, you know? But to find the good places, you know, the hidden gems, you really gotta go out and find them on your own.
Live with the dog.
So Bree is stuck on us getting a dog while we're here in Hawaii. What do you guys think?
Below.
There's so much work and
No, they're not.
expensive, and
They're companions
you know,
for life.
you gotta train them and do all that stuff. Gotta worry about who's gonna watch them if you go out of town.
I will never go out of town. It's fucking Oahu. Where are you going out of town to?
So yeah, leave a comment below if you guys, how you feel about the dog situation.
Please say yes.
Takes care of the tan line. Scar tissue from the whole thing. Baby, don't you know you're a stardust? And you're on way from home, way from home. So baby, push it off like it's all done. But we spend the California days alone.
So right now we're walking to our destination that is still a mystery, and Jeremy has changed his outfit like 15 times because he's a woman, and he still doesn't match. No, he still doesn't match. It's terrible.
This is the last straw. Why don't you take it off? Baby, don't you know you're a stardust?
Just got done eating at Doraku, and it was pretty good.
It was really good.
Baby, don't you know you're a stardust? And you're on way from home.
So today is Bree's birthday. I'm gonna make her breakfast in bed, but first I gotta go buy her some chocolate milk.
And you're on way from home, way from home. So baby, push it off like it's all done. But we spend the California days alone, days alone. She ain't never seen a zoo with the monkey.
It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. speak to youth in a language they understand. Sport can create hope where once there was only despair.
Big birthday date coming up. We're going to Morimoto's. How would you explain Morimoto's?
Japanese cuisine.
Japanese cuisine. It's owned by Chef
Morimoto.
Morimoto. Ooh, birthday girl.
That's a little like last year.
All right, we're ready for birthday dinner, but we're leaving the camera at home, so we'll see you tomorrow. Today we're going to Hanauma Bay for some snorkeling. It's supposed to be some of the best snorkeling, not only in Hawaii, but in the world. So it should be pretty fun.
The power to change the world. It has the power to inspire.
So as you can see from the video, it's a little too murky for snorkel. So instead, we'll get some sick drone footage for you.
In a language they understand. Sport can create hope where once there was only despair.